on this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing on Digistore24. This is a very easy method that you can do wherever you are in the world. The best part is that there's no limit to the amount that you can earn per day. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method so that you can be making money on Digistore24 for free without paying for anything. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. I've showed you several times how to create a Digistore24 account, so I'm not going to go through that in this video. Once you create your accounts and log in, just come here, the marketplace, click on that so that you can get products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are categories of products that you can promote. As you can see, a whole lot of them. So if you like any of these categories, just click on it so that you can find a product to promote. What I'm going to do is that I'm just going to show you the products on the first page. As you can see, we have products on the first page. These are products that are ranking high in terms of sales on this platform. You can see a whole lot of them as I scroll. So you can scroll and then select any of these products that you want. As you can see, a whole lot of different products that you can select. You can see this one right here, Home Doctor. This product, it is getting a lot of sales, and you can see that the commission rate is 75%. That is $25.08. When you come here, you can see the total cost of the product is $47.23. So it's very easy to get people to buy it because it is not all that costly. The cancellation rate is very low. You can see 2.9%. This product is one of the best that you can promote on this platform. So what you have to do is that you have to just check the sales page of the product so that you can begin promoting it. So just come here, click on sales page so that you can look at how the sales page looks like. Once you click on the sales page, we are going to land on a page like this. These are the details of the product. As I scroll, you can see many details. So what your customers have to do is that they have to watch this video right here. Once they watch the video, they can then proceed to buy the product if they like it. The landing page has a lot of information about the product. So all that you need to do is that you have to get people to click through your affiliate link so that they can read the text on this page. Once they read and they are convinced about the product, they are going to make a purchase and you are going to be earning money on Digistore24. As you can see, a whole lot of different information. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to begin promoting the product. Since we have seen the landing page, we now have some basic information about it. So we have to get it out to people so that they can buy it for us to earn money on Digistore24. Today we are going to be using this website right here, brighton.com. This is going to be our traffic source for this method that we are going to be using today. So what you have to do is that just search for brighton.com so that you can create your free accounts. When you come on SimilarWeb, you can see that this website, it gets a lot of traffic. You can see 5.1 million visits per month. So this is a huge traffic source that you can use to promote the product. Let me scroll down to show you the traffic sources. You can see when you come here, almost 60% of the traffic is coming from the United States. You can see 7.70% is coming from Australia. You can see Russia. You can see Canada. You can see United Kingdom. So we are going to be promoting it to people who can truly afford it. Brighton.com is a video sharing platform that you can share videos about anything that you have. If you want to share videos about health, you can do that. As you can see it right here. If you want to share videos about finance, you can see that here. If you want to share videos about food, you can do that. So this platform gives you the opportunity to share any video that you want so that you can drive traffic to your affiliate links. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to get a simple video so that we can post it onto this platform so that it will drive traffic to the affiliate links. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for videos on YouTube so that we can use those videos to promote our product on brighton.com. So just search for the name of the product. As you can see, the name of the product is Home Doctor. So just search for the name of the product on YouTube so that you can find videos about the product. If you get the videos, you are going to download them. So let me do it for you. So once you come on YouTube, so search for the Home Doctor, just search for that. Once you search for the Home Doctor, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, many videos that talks about this product. You can see a whole lot of different videos about this product. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to filter these videos so that we can get those that we can use for free legally. So just come right here, select filters. Once you click on filters, you are going to select this feature right here, Creative Commons. Anytime you sort the videos by Creative Commons, it means you can use them legally without any copyright strike. So just click on Creative Commons so that you can find the videos that you can download for free. Once you click on Creative Commons, you can see these are the videos that we can use legally without any copyright strike. So as you can see, many of them. So you have to just scroll down. Any of them that you like, you can download it and then repost it onto any video sharing platform so that you can get traffic back to your affiliate links. So what we are going to do is that we are going to download one of these videos. You can play most of them and then check the one that you like so that you can download that video and re-upload it again. I prefer the first one, so just put your pointer on it. Once you put your pointer on it, right click, select copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come to this website and then paste the link right here. Once you paste it, click on convert so that you can download the video. Once you click on convert, you are going to see a page like this. Click on get link. Once you click on that, it is converting. Now click on download so that you can download the video onto your PC. So the video has been downloaded. The next thing is that we are going to upload it onto this platform so that we can get people to watch it and then take the action that we want them to take. So just come right here, click on upload the videos. Once you click on upload a video, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on it, select your video right here, click on open so that you can upload your video onto the platform. Once you select the video, you can see that it is currently uploading. You can see it is uploading. So the next thing is that you are going to enter the details that is required. So when you come here, you can see video status. You are going to leave it as public. You can see video category. You are going to select the appropriate category of the video. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select the right one. You can see health and medicine. That is the right category of our videos. So just select that. So once you select the category of your video, you are going to also enter the title of your video. To get a better title, just go back to the sales page so that you can copy the name of the product and then paste it right here. So once you come back to the sales page, you are going to see the title right here. So as you can see right here, the Home Doctor Practical Medicine for Every Household. So just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to send it back to your video. Just paste it right here. Once you paste it, the next thing is the description. So this is where you are going to insert your affiliate links so that you can get people to purchase the product. So what you have to do is that you have to go back to the sales page so that you can copy some brief information about the product and then paste it right here. Once you paste it, you can then add your affiliate link. Once you come back to the sales page, you are going to scroll. If you want, you can copy any of these texts, but I prefer to copy the description of the book. So just come to store. Once you come to store, this is the book that you are promoting and you can see the description of the book. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, just come here, copy the description of the book, copy it. Once you copy the description of the book, just come back to your video and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that we are going to type a call to action here so that when people read this description, they can get access to the product through our affiliate link. So you can just type something like, to get this book, click the link here. Just simple as that. So if you want to get the book, click the link here. So just as simple as that. Once you type your call to action, the next thing is that you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So just go back to Digistore24. Once you come back to Digistore24, you are going to highlight the link, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to shorten it because you don't want to paste this long URL on the platforms. Once you copy, just come to bit.ly.com. This website allows you to shorten long URLs. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, click on shorten so that you can shorten it. Once you click on shorten, you can see it has been shortened. Click on copy so that you can get your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back to your video and right here you are going to paste your affiliate links. So anytime people watch the video, they can get access to the product through your affiliate link right here, and if they make a purchase, you are going to be earning money on Digistore24. Now the last part is that you are going to enter your keywords. So these are the words that you are going to use to target the right audience to watch your videos. So just type something like health. The next thing is weight loss. Let's type diet. Let's say natural remedies. As you can see, these are some of the keywords. Once you enter the keywords, the next thing is that you are going to upload a thumbnail that can get people to click through your video and watch it. So right here you are going to upload a thumbnail. To get the right thumbnail, just search for the product name on Google. Once you search for that, select images. As you can see, these are images of the product that you can use as your thumbnail. So you can just select one of them to upload as your thumbnail. I'm going to select this one right here. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to right click, then select save image as. Once you select that, you are going to save the image onto your PC, so just click on save so that you can save the image. Now you have the image onto your PC. The next thing is that you are going to upload it as your thumbnail, so just come right here, click on upload so that you can upload the image as your thumbnail. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image, click on open, and you can see that this is the thumbnail. Now you have everything set. The next thing is that you are going to publish this video onto the platform so that you can get traffic back to your affiliate link. So just come right here, click on save video so that your video can be published onto the platform. Once you click on save video, you can see the video is now live on the platform right here. As you can see, it has got 1 view right now. So let me play it for you to see.
Hello everybody, today I have a very special review for you. First of all, just let me say that this is such a great product. It has helped me tremendously so far.
As you can see, that is the video. So when you scroll down, you can see this is your video link. You can copy the link and promote your video. When you come here, you can see your link is also at the description. Once you have your video on this platform, you are going to get people who will view it. Once they view it, they are going to take action on the link that you post at the description. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.